All right, end of the unit. You did it. Good for you. So we're reflecting on the same question from the beginning of the unit. What compels us to survive? Meaning, what makes humans and animals work to survive? What makes us want it so much? Think about all the stories. The Kelpie. Alice wanted to survive and worked hard to escape from the Kelpie. Why didn't she just give in? In the Berserker and the Baby, the dad and the brother wanted Thorir to survive, so they went through this whole thing of tricking him and giving him the baby because they wanted him to survive. The Crow in the Pitcher, an animal that took all those stones to put in the picture so it could have enough water. The Knotted Branch. Saxo worked so hard to help his mother and sister who'd been captured. Search and rescue dogs, like working really hard, um, taking those sled dogs through this giant blizzard to bring the medicine to the people who needed it. Like, why? All right. And then there's other examples as well. So you're just trying to reflect, and tell me, why did they do this? Make sure you include at least one example from a story that we read. And it could be something like, okay, I think people work really hard to survive because they care about others and just other people in their life. For example, in Search and Rescue Dogs, the mushers and the sled dogs worked so hard to go through the blizzard because they cared about the other people not dying. Or I know some of you mentioned wanting to have certain adventures or like go certain places or achieve goals. For example, maybe Alice had a goal or a dream. Or the Finn McCool wanted to live life with his wife, so he went through all that. There's lots of different examples. Oh, sorry, I was thinking a life or death challenge with the sled dogs. The dogs part confused me. Search and rescue dogs was when they train the dogs to go save people. So again, why do they spend all this energy to train the dogs to go save people in danger? So just really, there's not necessarily a wrong answer. Do give me some thoughts that you have and make sure you include an example from a story. Okay. If you need more examples, if you need to talk it through, feel free to talk it through with someone around you, or I am more than happy to discuss it with you as well. Good luck.